Well, the day is finally here. It's time to tear down the old 542 valve and get started on, well, first the tear down and then on to the rebuilding process. Come along, let's dig in and see what we can find. Hopefully there shouldn't be any issues. This did come out of a running vehicle with just about 100,000 miles, so there shouldn't be too much wear. It's a 2001. Let's get in and get started. Fucker. Gotta love getting a sock get stuck on a nut. Yeah. We're gonna start out hard today. Apparently, that's alright. Okay, that was not what I expected. Oh, now I really did it. Oh, shit. I tried hammering it out, and of course that went right through it, so that's even better. That screwed me big time. Ouch. Dang it. Got it. One manifold off. I think I'm just going to disassemble this entire side while I'm here. May as well, right? Engine mount off. Don't you just love these freaking socket holders when you get new ones, especially the cheap ones, and then you can't get them off? I think it's freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Guess it's the price you pay for buying cheap shit. Oh, come on now. Why do they have to be on there like that? Oh, Lord have mercy. That still isn't the right size. So that's great. What hell size is this thing? If I wasn't more blind like a bat, I'd probably be able to see that shit. I got another one off. Yep, let's drop that. That's perfect. That's the one we need though, so that's good. No more struggles. Power steering pump. Power steering pump. We're going to an electric power steering pump, I think, on this project. I haven't decided yet, but that's what I'm thinking right now, anyway. And oil filter relocation as well, because this was a bastard when it was in the truck. That's all of them. Yep, there it goes. What else can we pull off on this side? We're going to need a little one. We'll have to pull these off. We don't need those. Got new ones for that. And let's find ourselves. Nope. 5/16, yep. How nice do you think this is going to come out? Not very. Oh, they always. Don't want to crush it. We just want it to come out. It's not tight. Out of the way. So I can dump that over. Yeah, that's not gonna work. just gonna wreck it. Guess I put that on the list. Yeah, that's gonna be wrecked. That's no good for anybody. Alright, well, we're gonna spin it around to the other side. Sure do love this engine stand. Great. Woo. We've got something this there. Tools. Yeah, you're right. This one looks a little crustier. This one might get fun. Oh, which one is it? Isn't this the same as the other side? Did I pick the wrong socket? I think so. That must be this one. Yep, that's the one I thought. Nope, that's definitely not it. Well, what the heck? Oh boy, these are what we call not gooder. Not gooder. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. I got one stuck, of course. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Oh, that one's broke off already. That's perfect. You gotta love certain day like that. Probably be able to get that one though. That one's been broke for a while, it looks like. Something's just not right about all this. So, I'll try to get this side. Yeah. Oh, two broke off ones, and that one's in there deep. Oh no! Oh no. Show you what we got here. This is a real honey. So we got this one right here. That one sticks outside of that one a little bit. But that little bastard back there, that's broke off inside. And then this one's rounded off, that one's rounded off, and that one's rounded off. So I guess I get to bring out a new tool to see how that works, I guess. If I can get you up on the stand again. There we go. We're going to the V-board. Screw and bolt extractor. It could be that one. Try it, I guess. I don't think that one's got gumption for it. That's fine. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Way to go, Vivor. You got that bolt stuck in there, so that's it's gonna be one of them mornings. It's gonna be one of them mornings. There. Let's try this again. Tappy tap. Tap tap. Get it seated. I don't think that one's got the power. This is gonna break off. I already know it's gonna break. It's gonna break. Yeah, oh, no way. Frickin' no way. I can't even believe that nonsense. I never. Come on. Maybe we don't need that one for the next one. Thing. Yep, I do. Got it. Well, outside of the broken ones, That can pop. So let that go inside. Oh yeah, this one here. Yeah, that's no longer attached. Not too bad though. For 100,000 miles and all that we had is one. Well, that stub there is going to be. That's gonna be a fun one. Yep, that one's gonna be a fun one. Okay, let's get that. This one. Now, come on now. Another engine mount up. Alright, now what? Let me take off our sensors. Grease plugs look good. And this thing is crusty. It is just crusty. I think that was part of the head gasket. That's gone. Yep. Alright, we're going to get that sensor off. Maybe. That's not it. What we got over here? This one? Nope, it's not that one either. What did we do? Crank sensor. Alright, I think now we're ready to go to the front. Now listen to all that nice stuff in there. Yeah. There we go. Now we got you zoomed in on the project. There we are. Yep. So we're going to pull off this bracket, that one, that sensor, all, you know, that. That one. Come on now. We are just having the time of our life today. Fantastic. I love it. Alright, that one's off. This one. Screw back on. There, that might work better. Okay. most likely I'm going to replace all of these sensors, so I'm not too worried about it. So we got that one, we got that one. That one maybe. There's one for that, sure. Take out, we don't need those anymore. Find some soft beans. Just keep stacking shit on here and see how high we can get it before it falls off. Let's do this. Oh yeah, it's a 10. Imagine that, it's a 10. That just pulls right off. Alright, what other tins do we have? These tins. Ooh. Attitude. Go until we find one that works. Alright, that one was easy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Then, here we were. How does that come out? No idea. Alright, so we're going to go on to the next thing. We'll figure that out later. This one. Let's see. Could be this one. Oh, that one's a bit loose. What is that? 19, maybe it's an 18. Can't see nothing. So that's 21. That's not gonna work. 17. Definitely not bad. Oh, where's my 18 at? 16. I don't know what I did with my 18mm. Use a deep socket. Yeah, that'll work. What do you think of this little one? Is the little one gonna do it? before. And I know that you gotta have a folder for that one. Why is it so wide? Yeah, maybe before we start pulling stuff, we pull out valve covers. Do we want to do that? Or do we want to pull off the oil pan? I think we pull out the oil pan first. Then we can dump all this crap out that's on the top. If you didn't watch the video I did on this Daytona engine stand, they don't make a pan for that down there. So you can see I'm using a lid from a tote. Yeah, that's why they don't make one. It's so tight. Yes, it was. 13 worked more better. Now the old camera beeped at me, told me the battery was low. So after a quick battery change, get my other batteries charging because, you know, we need batteries for this stupid thing. Alright. Let's keep going. Get the rest of the pan bolts off. Be interesting to see what the bottom end of this thing looks like after 100,000 miles. It was maintenance, it had good maintenance records, so that's encouraging. And this motor, I'm going to be putting a single turbo kit on it, and I can't remember the specs on it. I think it's like a 6260 or 6258 or something like that. Single turbo. Not gonna throw a lot of boost at it, maybe up to 10 pounds, but I don't even know if I'm gonna go that high. We'll see. Alright, we want to take a look and see what this looks like. We'll get you in real nice and close like. You think this is gonna come off nice? Ooh, yeah, look at that. And ta-da! Well, outside of it being a little dirty, I don't see any sparkles. Sparkles bad. Sparkles real bad. But we don't have any, so we're good. Dirty. wipe my hands off and then we can wiggle shit around. It's not bad. I think it'll do okay. Did I pull the spark plugs out of here? I thought I did. A little play there, but I don't think it's real bad. Definitely no play in the crank, so that's good. That's real good. Timing chains. Can't really get down in there. They actually seem tight, so that's good. Way gooder. Alright, well that's encouraging. Everything looks pretty darn good. We'll flip it around and we'll get the valve covers off and see what it looks like up in there. Like that. There's still some shit in there. Still some shit. Okay, let's find this bit for that. Yeah, eights. There. Are you ready? Are you recording? Yep, you are. Let's get in there nice and tight like. Come on. I guess I can show you the bottom of the valve cover. It's dirty, but it's not bad. No buildup. Definitely don't fall on the floor, but that's fine. And the gasket did not want to come off. Ooh, we got ourselves a pull that nasty shit off. Don't need that where we're going. Everything looks pretty nice in here. No sludge buildup. A little bit of carbon on the bottom side, but man, it's clean. Cams look good. I don't think we're going to even mess with that, honestly. That looks pretty damn good. Springs all look good. Yeah. I'm happy. This is looking good. Let's go over on the other side. Get that one done. Alright, who's ready for side 2? Can you even see it? Oh yeah, you can see it. Time for side 2. Doing. Yep, there goes those. Yep, there they all went. Actually looks pretty nice on this side too. No, play 52 card pickup. I mean bolt pickup. And gasket. Ooh. This side's a little dirtier, but not bad. Geez, for 100,000 miles, it's not bad at all. And we got a little slop on that one. Dang it. Well, I guess I didn't want to, but I can't have that. We can't have the slop in there. That's not gonna work. So I'm gonna tear off our water pump and our crank pulley, and we're gonna have to get in real nice and deep like and replace the timing chains, the guides, anything else that we see inside there. Would have been nice if this chain would have been tight like the other side, but it is what it is. I'll get back to you as soon as I get that front cover ready to come off. Alright, I got our harmonic balancer off and the water pump out, One thing you guys, if you're working on these mod motors, if you don't have a puller set like this one, it has to be like this, where you use the different bolts and the center puller. That's what you want to use. Do not use a puller like this. These things are not made for harmonic balancers, and you will wreck things big time if you do that. Use the correct puller. These are cheap. You can get them at Harbor Freight. They work pretty decent. They have a variety of bolts to fit every thread pattern pretty much in there. That thing popped right out using the correct tool. If I would have used this, I most likely would have bent that harmonic balancer, broke it, popped off, whatever, had a bad day. Don't use one of these, use that one. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, we can get on to pulling that front cover. I don't know if you like it in that version or the closer version, but that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and pull out all these studs and get this front cover off. I don't know which one I need. This one. It's not bad. Let's do this one. That's the one. That one, and we got some big studs. Oh, come on now. You can't be that stuck. Everybody else came out nice. How come you can't come out nice? You need to come out nice. That's fine. We'll bring out the big boy then. Because we don't mess around. There we go. See? That's all you had to do. Come out nice. Alright, now we need to find size for these big mama jumps. Ooh, right on the money. So that other one, I don't remember what size that was. This is 18 for these. Big mama jammas. Okay. That's too big for that one. That's a different size. Alright, we'll bring out the big boy and get that one out. Come on, little darling. You're gonna come out. Yeah, see, I told you. I told you, you're gonna come out. You don't have a choice. No choice. Now we gotta find one that fits for that. was that little bastard? There it is. Yeah, 22. Oops, that's the wrong machine. Here's the right machine. Here's the right machine. Think we're gonna come out? Are you gonna come out? Oh yeah. Get it. And 15. You want to work? And then I suppose it's this one again. We might also just get this one. That's the big one. Okay, that's fine. It'll work with you. 22. There we go. Alright, I think that's the ones. Is that all? I think that's all of them. Now, you think this is going to come off nice? Or is it going to be a bastard? We don't know. We don't know. Let's use some plastic. Some plastic. We don't wreck shit. I break your fucking tool. Okay. Oh, she got tight. Oh. Oh, there she goes. She just wanted to be, you know, stuff. Back cover isn't bad. Everything looks pretty good. Guess it's not the back cover, it's the front cover. Running out of room on my table. And I got dirt and shit everywhere. Don't do that. Well, there it is. And that was their stoppy one. So those definitely need to get changed. This one here. That one was just fine. Well, at least we went in and got it and looked at it. I will get a new timing chain coming and new glides. The glides actually look really good. Just I think that this chain, yeah, that is holy sloppy Batman. That thing must be maxed out. Well, it was definitely time for that. Well, now we know what we need to order. We need to get a timing chain guide set. Get this back up on upright like so. So I'll get new timing chains. Gears look really good. tensioners. Everything looks pretty good. So that's where we're gonna leave it today. And when I have my parts, then we'll go from there.